In this video, I'm gonna be showing you two different methods to highlight text in Canva. First of all, let's see the first method. Select the text box or text where you want to add a highlight. Now, click on Effects. Under Style, here you will find Background. Select Background. And now, to change your highlight or background color, click on this color box and select a highlight color. And now from here you can adjust your highlight or background radius, border corner radius, just like this. You can also adjust the spread. You can also adjust transparency of your highlight or background, just like this. So this was the first method to highlight text in Canva. Now let's see the second method. In second method, we will add a new background. So go to Elements and search for Shape, and here select this rectangle shape. And now we have to change the shape background color. So select the shape and click on this color box and select a highlight color. And now you can just resize the shape just like this. And now just go ahead and place the shape above the text you want to highlight. Now go to Position and go to Layers, and you have to put this shape layer under the text layer just like this, and we can see this line is now highlighted. Or you can just right click on this shape layer and hover over on layer and click on Send to Back, and we can see the highlight successfully added. So that's how you can actually highlight text in Canva. Thanks for watching.